Hello, my name is Vickie-Marie and I'm going to be taking you through a how-to video. For this how-to video, we're going to be exploring tree pose. So there's different variations, there's different elements to tree. It is a balance pose. And I'm going to begin with the basics, and then if you want to take a bit further, you can explore the evolutions within this video. So to begin with our tree, if you'd like, and you've got the space, just coming near a wall. Sometimes having a wall as a prop can be a great asset. So when you're ready, we're going to begin to take the feet hip width apart and just maybe rocking a little bit back and forth, just ensuring that the heels and the balls of the feet are in contact. And we'll begin to settle down. And I'm going to invite you to begin to spread the toes of that left foot to begin with. We're going to begin to build our tree pose. So hands can be in the heart space, pressing the finger pads towards each other, elbows going in opposite directions. If the arms are tired today, just having them on the hips or off to the side. We're going to begin to lift that right heel, finding the balance, weight into that left foot again. If we've got a wall and we want support, and we can stay right here. Otherwise, we're going to begin to invite that heel towards the arch of that left foot. So we're beginning to open up the knee, and you'll find your degree of where you want to open up that knee. And we can stay here, maybe again, the heel coming to the arch. For some of us, we might begin to take the heel onto the foot. Again, just exploring. What you want to be aware of is that this left hip isn't tilting to the side. So there'll be some smidge of movement, but we don't want to send it entirely over. Imagine one long line of energy, shoulder, hip, knee, ankle. So this is our foundation. Again, we can stay here. If you want to take it a little bit further, what we can begin to explore is taking the big toe to the earth, sole of the foot towards the ankle or that calf. Again, checking that we're not leaning. And then we can stay here, maybe beginning to invite the sole of the foot to the calf. Imagine the pinky edge of the foot digging into the leg and that knee opening up. Next variation is beginning to, with the support of the hand, taking the sole of the foot to the thigh. Maybe bring the heel as close to the groin as is comfortable. Again, pressing pinky edge into the thigh, thigh into the foot. Now this could be your tree foundation, our roots. If you want to take it a little bit further, some of us may begin to take the arms up overhead, maybe taking a bit of branches. And you could take any variation with the arms. Some people may enjoy taking a hand to the inside of that knee, opening up. You might even add a gentle breeze on purpose. Just exploring your tree. Now, the wonderful thing about tree pose is that if you fall out, you can decide how deep you want to come back in. So that is a very brief explanation or how-to of our tree pose. And again, I would invite you, if you do explore this physically, just exploring it on the other side, finding that foundation and building it up. And what you might find is that you don't always mirror what you do on one side with the other. And that's absolutely fine. Thank you very much for taking this short how-to series of how to do tree pose. If you'd like to incorporate your tree pose within a practice, check out the playlist below in the description. Leave a comment, let me know how you get on. And if there's different ways of you coming into a tree pose, let me know. Otherwise, have an amazing day and I'll see you again soon.